Hello folks, I wanted to do, we're doing a foundation inspection here, and I get asked this all the time. Hey, what are these things here that you see? Well, these are, we call them zip ties. They actually are what ties our forms together. And what we do after we get done here, we like to tear all them off and break them off. They all get broken off. There's not a big deal here, but you want to make sure that you do, because they're going to be in the way of any framing. And also now, they're also a bad spot here for having, as it continues, there's a good chance sometimes these leak around here. So we want to make sure, you know, we let it, our foundation settle in, make sure it's all good and that it's not leaking, and then we could worry about fixing it after the fact. But and also wait until this is set up a little bit. Do not be knocking off these. Just knock them off with a hammer. Just knock them off with a hammer. We just make sure you do it before. After it settles a little bit, so you don't want to do it while it's green. Hey, thanks for watching our videos. We appreciate you.